Now then, folks, good morning. Lovely day, nice and cool, overcast, lovely stretch of canal. So we've got a cracking bridge here, folks. Just look at this baby. This is unmapped bridge. Nobody knows it's here. Except for me. Beautiful location. Look at them hills in background. Got all my kit down here. Here, look at this, folks. While I'm on about my kit, let me just undo that. Pull that out. Let's have it. We have temporary rope, folks. We have a Genesis. Is it a G60? I think. It was a prize from Essex Magnet Hunters. Cherry, gang, thanks, because my son's going to use this, but Dad's going to have a play first. Because Harvey's not here today, so I'm going to get it first test, folks. Yeah, I'm going to get in here anyway. New place. We've not been here before. But look at floor, neither's anyone else, folks, because this is a deserted bridge, you see. So what we'll do is we'll have a little clickety-click straight off my intro. Is there anything down there? Anything? Oh. There's a couple of bits down there, I can feel them. Another bit there. Did we get something with us first cast? I haven't even got my gloves on, folks, that's silly, innit? No, there's something down there, but I didn't get it up with first cast. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to stick my gloves on before I get hacky black. And let's get on here. Nice old scaff bar there, folks, but look at that. Something big. Alright, the scaff bar. Let's have a crack on it. Yeah, it is a scaffolding bar. She's been down there that long, that probably proves that nobody's been here. Wow, that's eating through that. See if I can knock some of that crud off it. Oh. Right bit, so somebody has magnet fished here before. Just knock a bit of that crud off it, because otherwise it won't go in the car. Guess what, folks, we'll make mincemeat of that because I've got the cutter. It'll be a good day here. That we're on the little G60. Once it grabs it, that's it. Only close into edge, it wasn't as if it were miles in, miles out. So we'll keep going with it for a little bit and just have a play and see how we do it. I want all this crap off before it goes into my car. Morning. Hey. Nice little garden fork there, folks. What's that, folks? See a few markings in there, but I can't see without my glasses. Some kind of fan for the car, maybe. bit of scrap and a bicycle link. Nice little magnet this, guys. You don't, I'll keep going till I give it a rating, eh? But Essex Magnet Hunters, guys, cheers. Because that now means my son can come out with me all the time. Even if we just go local for a little bit, because we were borrowing a magnet. And that's why we entered the competition, so we could win one for my little boy. I never expected to win. Never expected you to wax your chests either, guys. I'll get banned for showing your boobies. But yeah, thanks guys, because this is epic. Just like I say, it means me and my son can get out a little bit, play out, and you know, let's just take it for a walk, yeah. Nice little walk up and down. Oh, what we got? Is it coming? Oh, it's in mud. That's what we got, some in mud. Feels like it could be a chain. Maybe we should get bigger magnet out. Right, what can I see there? No, it's coming though, slowly. Oh no, it's a big metal pole again. Yeah, there we go. Nice one, lovely magnet. You can have some of that back. I just changed onto 550, folks. Pulled that little bit of trolley out. Just going back to my magnet. What do we see? Has to be one of the biggest fishing lures I've ever seen. I thought it was a real bloody fish. Where's your hook, mate? Hook's probably stuck in something in it. Well, there you go, folks. Look at that. Oh, well, I pulled it out. Cool. One less in water there, folks. Well, we're ragging it here, folks. Old motorbike frame. Well, like I said, folks, thought somebody had been here before. You see, because us magnet fishermen know, don't we? Look, 1, 2, and there's your proof. Number 3. That's a nice hefty magnet, is that, whoever's it is. Cheers, guys. Trust me to find one on the day I'm playing out with a new one. Oh. I think I've got a bolt for that at home. Let's see how hard it is to, well, yeah, folks, that's probably why they lost it, because they threw it, because it's rubbish. Getting a few bits all out, same spot, folks. That's 2 of them I've got now. I'll just get them twigs out. 2 quite similar, yeah. Smashing it here, folks. $5.50 just pulled that out, folks, I reckon. Let me have a guesstimate. Maybe 30 kilo, 20-30 kilo there, guys. Wow. Epic. My first penny, folks, big fat shiny one. It's going to give me some good luck because I've just moved something down there. Don't know what it was, but they're a big dollop of water. Felt quite heavy. We on it again. It's an old monkey scooter. Cool. Well, that's really old, isn't it, a monkey? Look at the state, folks. It's a rider. Well, sort of. Oh, my wheels given way, folks. It's not a rider anymore. It's big. It's huge. It's probably a bloody trolley gator. Oh, we got another penny, folks. That's tuppence. Yes, it is a trolley gator. I can quickly get it right under that bit. Flick it up there. Should be able to get that on my own, folks. Morning. Might as well use the kit if I've got it on her, folks. No point faffing. There somewhere. There we go. Oh, I've pulled it up upside down. Whee! Stuck on something there. Let's have it that way. Whee! So it's stuck on all that massive plastic bags around it. Loads of weed. Oh, we have a transporter for a scrap today, folks. You know what I'm going to do with it after, don't you? I'm going to scrap it. There's a bag there with drawstring round it. The old tin, that. No, I don't think so, folks. I think it's just an empty bag. I'm like, what to that? Empty bag, folks. Good, I could put my rubbish in. I came to test the G60. It's here. You've got a few lovely little bits out, a few big bars. Then I got a bit excited and got my big magnet out and decided to have a bit of a dabble, but I'm meant to be waiting for Andrew. Thought my nut were coming undone then. Yeah, I'm waiting for Andrew and Chris, I think, maybe. I don't know if Chris is coming today, but I'm not getting them all out because it's just unfair, innit? I'll see them when they get here. I'll claim a little bit of mess up. Right, folks, sun's coming out. I'm going to have a break until Andy and Chris gets here. They'll be coming from that direction. As you can see down there, I've been having fun. Quite a few bits out already, folks. So, I'm sure that's an Honda Grandad exhaust. Look at it. I'm sure. I used to have one. Honda Grandad. Yeehaw! Motorbike chain there, folks. Reba. Look at that baby for a grapple. Yeehaw. Let's have a look at her. Oh, we might be getting some use out of that, boys. Look at that. Wow, epic. It's a little beauty, is that? Cool tool. Fantastic, folks. Another homemade grapple, folks, look. What's going on? Times are hard. That looks like the bonnet catch. You know, the spring. There's the spring, there's the latch. So is there a car in here as well? Or was there a scrapyard round here somewhere? I don't know. What is the answer?
This bridge?
Yeah.
Is it an old railway bridge?
I just don't know, mate. Might be an old footbridge, but look at all that out already. Magnet Man's found treasure, folks! Treasure, treasure, treasure! Treasure, treasure, treasure! Let's have a look. Oh, we got you Charlie and Diana. Charles and Diana. Commemorative coin. Oh, for up in a bit.
Oh, wow.
What are all these, man?
So I've just invaded Nick's spot, where Nick's found a very interesting find, and I found that. So I'm not back in there.
Quick, I am. Treasure. Oh, I got treasure and a knife full of mud, folks.
That big steel plate is something to do with whatever that is.
Yeah. Where is it there? Oh, ish. Have I just crossed it? Oh well. Good luck, boys.
Who dares win?
Da 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 da.
Don't cross streams.
Oh no, it's crossing streams. We're gonna get whatever we get if we cross streams.
Oh, Christopher's out.
It's coming. Wow, that's bloody huge, Andrew.
I know, it's come off as well.
Jesus, I knew that was going to do that.
Shiny.
Oh, treasure. Everybody got treasure? Another bag, guys, another bag. It's a bag of dog poo. Yeehaw! Quick, get back in there. Oh, we've missed it, folks. That gold bar? I thought that were a gold bar, mate.
I do like gold bars, they're quite nice.
Yeah, yeah. What we got here? And we have an old sash. Oh, I thought it was sash window weight then. It's a scaffy bar. You back on it, Andy?
Penny. Nick, you got a penny on there.
Oh yeah, I know. I'll leave one on, mate. Hey, over there, yeah. Right, I'm on it. Get it a bit closer, I'll get grappled to it if I can. Something heavy here. Oh, it's just dropped.
Come on.
You on it, Chris?
Oh, that was fun. Really pulling off the back then. Really pushing off the down.
Right. I'm on it there. I'm going to wait for everyone else to get on it. We do it in 3, yeah?
Where you at?
So if you go to right on my rope. Oh, yeah.
Wait, I'm already on the right.
You got that, Andy?
Back. Right, you ready?
Yeah, go on. That's it. Go over to the right a little bit and pull it over to the right, and it'll try and avoid mine a tiny bit if you can. That's it. Come back this side now. You should be on it there nearly, yeah?
Yep.
Right, slowly, slowly. Go on, Andy, we got it rolling. You get in behind it and help us, mate. Jesus. Oh, nearly went again, boys.
I hope it's not a shark. It's a metal box with a load of money in, it's fine.
I've already had money out, mate. It's all foreign coins and threepenny bits.
Oh, come on.
Jesus Christ. Go, baby.
We're right there.
1, 2, 3. Oh, I lost it, boys.
Come on, Ed.
Let me get my hook.
Well, hello there.
Heave! Heave!
I'm on you. I'm on.
God almighty.
Right, what's that?
What do you reckon? Winch it. Oh, everyone complaining about heavy breathing. God, that just killed us, folks. Oh, we just ragged that from right over side. All 3 of us. Oh my God. Oh. Oh.
That's like the biggest thing I've ever seen.
Shit, that fucking bed. And that's staying in, folks. High 5, dude. Yeah. Chris. Cracking, folks. Look at the size of that. Oh. Well, yeah, we used every bit of kit. We even used kit that we didn't know we did have. We used scaffy bars. Oh. Wow, look at that, where it's stuck on lip. It's not stuck on handle.
Oh, that piece of scrap.
It's stuck on the basically the fancy lip. Look at that, folks. And that's what you call a magnet. That just didn't let go then.
Jesus.
Bleeding hell, folks.
That is one
Oh, I think it's time for an oxygen tent. Andy, yeah? Andy, where have you that safe, mate? It's friggin' there, and it's over here. Because we don't faff about, folks, do we? Look.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm one of them as well.
Guessing it's nearing.
Wow, that safe was absolutely heavy as oats. All the way from the other side of there. How they got that safe from up there, down there, I'll never know. But I will know something. There's more treasure in that water, I'm off to get it. It's safe to say, folks, we smashed it. Literally to pieces. Woohoo! All of us, all three of us. Look at where we're winching from, folks. Let me just hide that bridge number there. Don't need to know bridge number, do you, folks? Look where we're winching from. Eh? It's just past dinner time, folks, and we're absolutely killing it. That's why when I turn around you can't see that bridge number behind me. Oh dear. Whoa, what's that? Wow, look at that for an exhaust, mate.
Is it off Pebble and Pot?
It might well be. Wow, I might go home and weld it together, mate.
Sell it on eBay.
Yeah, spare parts.
So there's obviously 10 careful owners. Last one 20 years.
Yeah.
Bit boggy.
Yeah, it bogs itself down a bit. I thought you got up a bit then. No, you got one of them bendy pipes off at bridge.
Must be in the right area.
Andy, get your magnet on this. It's gonna go. It's full fucking Castro, that, mate. Whoa. 1 minute. Oh no!
No!
No! You bastard. Heave! Get in for it. Last one on it stinks. We got some.
I'll just be of assistance.
Oh my God, there, look, 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 look. Well, we're absolutely having a party. What an absolute belching place this is. Well, I don't mind saying well done, Magnet Man, if I say it myself. Well done, Magnet Man.
Well done, Magnet Man.
Yeehaw!
Almost sit on edge of face.
How would I say that personally? That's pretty.
Oh, look at that.
It's good getting out on your own.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh my God.
Wow, that's proper been bent.
Oh Holy shit.
Look at Steve, he's been fucking walloped everywhere.
If that were a complete frame, Nick,
Yeah.
that's £2,000.
No way, what is it?
It is a DP Firebird.
Hang on.
Shit.
Let me just put that back. Right,
This is my kind of area.
50 quid. 50 quid, anybody?
Bit of manky wall art.
Is it that give it away?
Yep. That and where the seat post is, this plate.
Ah, right,
They're
yeah.
all unique from like the 80s.
Right. Cool. It's not a fucking rider. Nope. It's a slammer. It's an Apollo slammer. Slam it in the scrap. We're getting there, folks. Lots of mud. Still a bit of trash. But we're getting there. It's cleaner. There we go, folks. That's cracking. We've done. We've cleaned. We filled the cars up.
I just found another coin.
Whoa, I found one earlier. My car does not stink. My car has not got...
Sometimes I find hearing about such people intimidating.
Sonic's helping me with coins, folks. Look. Cheers, Sonic. Can you pass me that one, please?
And yet, he was
Come on this way so we can see you.
you.
Hello. What are you doing with my coins?
That saints live among us, and often in disguise. JD loved life because he knew how to live life. And I pray I never forget his example.
Oh, thank you for sharing with us about JD. He sounds like a remarkable...
Now then, folks, what a banging adventure that was. Day out with White Wellies, Andy and Chris, absolutely blitzed it. We got so much treasure, it were unbelievable, including a massive coin hoard. We must have had over 100 and odd coins. So I'm going to just show you through a few selected ones. There's the Charles and Diana commemorative coin, remembering their marriage in 1981, that were, folks. We've got a 2 shilling coin here. That's Elizabeth II, so that's more modern. Well, that's Elizabeth II as well, so it's about the same era. We've got lots of pennies and halfpennies. These are pre-decimal coins. This one's got George V on it. This one's got Elizabeth II on it. Absolutely, well, quite a few 1p's and halfpennies or half pennies, whatever you want to call them. Some have the, I don't know if you can see which one's which. You can see the ship design on the front of that one. Oh, hello Sonic. Sonic's helping me test the coins out. Sonic, do you want to test that one, mates, if it's a real one? Do you want to test it? Yeah, is it a real coin? Yeah, it's a real coin, guys. Good at testing coins, aren't you, Sonic? Keep nicking them. We've got lots and lots of different ones. Italian liras. We've got 25 centimes. This one here is a Battle of Waterloo memorial coin. It says on the back of it, it says Sonic's going to get killed if he wrecks my table. That's what it says. No, it don't really. We love you really, don't we, Sonic? You just pop it like that. Thank you, Sonic. disrupting my video. So yeah, we got, what's this one? 100 lira. This has got 3 castles on it. In fact, I can't even make out what that is. I don't even know if it's 3 castles or 3 oil rigs. It's got Arabic writing on the back of it. I'm thinking these are old coins that they've saved, and also coins from the travels and stuff. See if we've got anything different. We've got another Arabic coin there that says 50 on it. And on this little table bit here, we've got 1 franc. Five new pence. The threepenny bit you've seen in the pictures, that's got George VI on the back, so that's a bit more modern in it. That's 37. We've got, after decimalisation, that's a halfpence piece. They went out of fashion quite fast. And we've got a 6pence of Elizabeth II on the back. We've got a silver 3pence or 3pence. This has to be the cream of the crop though. That's an 1887 Victorian Jubilee shilling. Queen Victoria quite visible on back. That's a little cracker, is that? I like that. We got a little bit of jewellery out as well. Look at these for earrings. That's a little beauty, is that, innit? For dangling in light like that, you should get a bit of glimmer off it. Absolutely stunning earring. And finally, folks, yeah, I brought the gun home because the gun isn't what it appears to be. It's actually a pellet gun. I'm just going to turn camera angle and we'll, oh, we're having a look at Sonic, are we? Hi, Sonic. So I'll just turn the camera angle for you folks and I'll show you it on the table. Right, ladies and gents, there's the gun. It does look really menacing, doesn't it? But it's a pellet gun, believe it or not. This is what you twist to put your pellets into the top, just there. This arm on this side here where my finger is what you stretch outwards. Let me just get a balance on it again, folks. You basically pull that arm outwards in an outward manner like that, which cocks the gun and creates the pressure for you to use your pellet gun. That's the only reason I brought it home, folks, because I knew it was a pellet gun. We didn't need to ring the police. What an epic day. Absolutely cracking. See you on the next adventure, folks. Don't forget, like, share, subscribe, buy us a coffee.